Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today there is something I really want to talk about. So I keep on listening, I keep on hearing this. Everybody who I know keep on saying this, that I have grew my hair very much longer in past few months, I would say. And there are many people who keep on asking me what I'm using, what products I'm using, are there any tablets which I'm having or anything like that for the hair growth. And I keep on saying that no, I'm not eating anything, no, I'm not doing anything. But there is one thing I want to talk about. So I was really possessive about my hair. When I was small, I remember I had never, I always had hair shorter like this. I always had that cut, which is, till my shoulder. And I always wanted to grow my hair somewhat near my waistline or something like that. And I did grow up my hair that long. But then I remember before lockdown, I guess in 2019 December, right? I thought of giving my hair a new look, a changed look. So I went for a very shorter length, somewhere till my ear. So I just went to the salon and chopped them off. But because my hair were really thin, so I always had this issue. I always had this dilemma: should I go short? Will they look good on me? Because I don't have that volume in my hair, right? So but then few months back I came to know about this different brand, this really new brand. It's called Traya. So I have been trying, I have been using Traya from I guess 3-4 months, and this is going to be my third or second box. I don't even remember. I guess it's my third box which I have ordered from them. And I really wanted to talk about this product because it's not really helped my hair to grow, but I can really feel the difference in my hair. The volume is changed. I have, I guess, so many hair on my scalp which were not there before. So yeah, the product is really nice. So let's go ahead, and I want to talk about these products. So before going ahead, I just want to give you a little brief about Traya, what Traya is. Traya is backed by the doctors, and it has three main formula inside it. It's allopathy, it's Ayurvedic, and also it has all the natural resources intact with the guaranteed results. They claim to have that, and I can definitely see the difference. Moving ahead, I want to talk about the products which I have got here. So let's get started. So these are the products which I'm recently trying up on me from I guess 3 to 4 months. So here is the first thing which I'm using is Traya shampoo. It's sulfate free, it's paraben free, no SLS. So it's really nice. It's a very Ayurvedic sort of shampoo. Also it has vitamin B3 and allergen. So I want to show you the bottle. So here is the shampoo bottle. This is a 100 ml bottle, and as you can see, this retails at 300. The best part about this is it's sulfate free, and as you can see, my hair are like colored and also keratin straight. They are rebound. I have done rebonding and keratin. So this is the shampoo which I love. Also, it doesn't have that strong smell. So yeah, this is the first product which I'm using. The second product which I am using here is Hair Rust. It's basically a hair supplement. It's a hair nourishment tablets. So there are around 120 tablets, and it retails for 450 rupees. This is the bottle. This has vitamin hair supplement basically, and all it contains is. Also, as I told you, it is backed by allopathy, Ayurvedic, and natural ingredients. It's made up of 100% natural herbs that balance your Pitta dosh. So Pitta dosh is something which is responsible for hair loss. So this is one tablet which curbs the hair loss. Also, it rejuvenates your hair and stimulate growth. So these are the hair supplements, not exactly supplements, but for the nourishment. Next thing which I'm using here is the root serum. I'm using it with this dropper. It has mentioned the mls which you want to use, so it has the mls mentioned. Also here you can see the bottle. It is for 700 rupees. It's a 60 ml bottle, and I use it on my roots. Basically it has caffeine and red enzyme, and also it also have many benefits because it's a hair root serum, so it benefits in the growth of your hair. It increases and stimulates the hair growth. So this is the hair serum which I'm using. The next thing which I'm using here is a scalp oil. Oiling your hair is very important. Not exactly your hair, but your scalp needs to be properly nourished. So this is the hair oil which I'm using. It's basically a scalp oil, and it stimulates your hair follicles so that the hair can grow faster. So this is the bottle. And here you can see the name and everything. So this is hair scalp oil. So it contains a mixture of 100% natural rare herbs and essential oil. So this is again a herbal oil. It retails for 450 rupees and it is for 80 ml. The next thing, the last thing which I'm using is nasal drop. Yes guys, it is very important to use nasal drop. So this is the nasal drop, and I would like to talk about this. It has cow ghee, shatavari, and many more Ayurvedic, things inside it. When you are using this, because it has cow ghee, you need to put it inside warm water so that it can melt. It's a proper ghee inside it. So yeah. So I'm sorry, I have this weird thing of smelling everything before I apply. So yeah, these are the 5 items which I keep on ordering again and again, because first, they are very pocket friendly. Second, they work amazingly. Thirdly, they are Ayurvedic. Few of them are allopathic. I have read that they have guaranteed results, so I thought why not try it out and tell it to you. And trust me, I keep on getting compliments that my hair grew so fast in past few months, and I will give full credit to this Traya. And I really like it, that I really love it that I'm using these products. Also, I'll link them down below in my description box so that you can go ahead and check. The best part about Traya website is you can take the hair test, you can take the scalp test there, and they can suggest you what all products you should use. It's not like that you go there and pick it up on your own. You can definitely take the test, and you can know what are your scalp and hair problems and what you should buy. So yes, thank you so much Traya for coming up with these amazing products. They are really helpful and pocket friendly, I would say. I want you all to take have a look at Traya website in the description below, and I hope that you will like it. Do let me know if you use these products and if you get any results. And guys, this is not something which will work overnight. Don't think that you will apply it today and your hair will grow long in a week. No, it's not gonna happen. It will gonna take time. It took me 3 months, so you can understand that I have waited long enough to make this video. So yeah, I have waited for 3 months, and I have experienced that when people come to you and say that hey, your hair grew longer, or hey, oh, what are you using? All those comments, I really like that, I really appreciate that. And I was lying to them because I was waiting to make this video so that everybody can know what I am using. And that time I was I was unsure that should I make this video or should I not, but I thought let's make the video because there were too many people who complimented. And thank you so much everybody for listening to me, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope to see you very soon again. So do follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet, and do subscribe me here on YouTube. I'm also giving few freebies, a giveaway I'm hosting on my Instagram very soon. I'm gonna host that, and yeah, I hope to see you soon. Bye.